Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sid, the Garage Boy. I wanted to give you quick tips on 2019 Ford Escape. We have the intake manifold intercooler replacement. I just want to quickly show you guys just the ins and outs, how to remove the bolts, how many millimeter are the bolts, so on and so forth. All right, I have my friend Muqim here. He's working. He's actually came here today to take out the intermanifold. So far, we removed the old one, which is sitting right there. The way to remove it is we have the 8 millimeter wrench right here. Try to reach from the side, okay? From the side. You guys are gonna think, uh-oh, there's no way to take out this 8 millimeter. I don't know if you guys can see it right across there. My friend's gonna point out right there. Yeah, there you go. Right there, if you guys see it, where the screwdriver is hitting, that 8 millimeter, you could actually get it from this side right here. Just go from the side, try to get it. My friend's gonna show you right now. He's gonna go through from here. You see him touch it. So just go from that side, take it out. That's 8 millimeter. Besides that, you're gonna have to take out the intercooler first. Then get to the bolts inside. You have a 10 millimeter up there. You have an 8 millimeter on the bottom. So they are all inside, okay? The other piece, other bolt that you guys cannot forget, it's right there. To get to that, you're gonna have to remove the throttle body right there. Once you remove that, you're gonna hit that 8 millimeter, take it out, and then you have another one right here with the star T30. Remove that, then this whole thing will be loose. Okay, so the couple things right there. It's gonna be very tough. The reason we're replacing it is because of this piece right here. It broke off. And there was an oil leak. We had to replace it as we're trying to fix up this car. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Once again, let me know if you have any other way of removing the intercooler intake manifold. But those are the quick tips I wanted to show you quickly. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hope to see you again. Thanks, bye.